The iSpring RCC7P-AK Reverse Osmosis System features an advanced 6-stage filtration process that enhances water quality by removing impurities and restoring beneficial minerals. This system is equipped with a robust electric booster pump that ensures optimal performance even when water pressure fluctuates, reducing water waste significantly. It effectively filters out over 99% of more than 1,000 contaminants, including lead, chlorine, and arsenic, ensuring safer and healthier drinking water. The addition of an alkaline remineralization filter in the 6th stage provides balanced alkalinity, giving the water a more pleasant and natural taste. Constructed with premium quality components, the iSpring RCC7P-AK promises durability and low maintenance, offering long-term reliability for users. The system is designed for easy installation under the sink and comes with an extended manufacturer warranty, supported by a dedicated team based in Atlanta, Georgia.